Are you looking for free science-backed healthy diet advice? Want to take your diet to the next level? Let's talk about a superfood that's often overlooked: broccoli. Broccoli is packed with essential nutrients. It's high in vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and keeps your skin glowing. Vitamin K supports bone health and helps with blood clotting. And don't forget folate, crucial for cell growth and DNA repair. Plus, the fiber in broccoli aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut. But wait, there's more. Broccoli is loaded with powerful antioxidants like sulforaphane and glucoraphanin. These compounds help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain cancers. Speaking of heart health, broccoli has got you covered. It contains potassium and fiber, which help regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It also helps maintain healthy blood vessels by preventing oxidative stress and inflammation. And let's not forget your bones. With high levels of calcium, vitamin K, and magnesium, broccoli is excellent for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. Now, about cancer prevention. Sulforaphane in broccoli may inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Studies suggest that regular consumption of cruciferous vegetables like broccoli can reduce the risk of cancers such as colon, breast, and prostate. Broccoli also supports digestion. Its fiber content promotes regular bowel movements and feeds beneficial gut bacteria. And for your eyes, broccoli contains beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants contribute to eye health and may prevent age-related disorders like cataracts and macular degeneration. So how can you include more broccoli in your diet? Try it steamed, roasted, in stir-fries, soups, or salads. The options are endless. Remember, adding broccoli to your meals is a simple step towards better health. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep eating those greens. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips.